All right, up for sale is a Husqvarna 61. I've had this saw personally for, I'd say, about 5 or 6 years. I just got done cutting with it here yesterday, maybe even the day before yesterday. I have way too many chainsaws, so I'm thinning the collection out, and I know that this one should bring good money given its condition and everything. It has I believe that's a 20-inch. It's either 18 or 20, but I'll make a correction in the listing here. What it has, a bar and chain with it, power head. Pictures will show it's in real good shape. Saw always starts up real easy. You just pull back on the choke lever. Make sure it's on that. Oh, let's see. Like I said, she runs good.